Hello, good day. I welcome you all to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to stop window auto updates. Go on your search bar, search for service, click on services with app. From there, scroll down to where you have W. Under W, which is click on window updates. From this start up type, we have it on manual. Click on it, click on disable, apply. But this service status is running. For you need to stop this service status by click on stop. Now you have stopped the auto updates by clicking on OK. That is how to stop Windows updates. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notification, and like this video and share this video to your friend. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.